Everybody, make sure to like and subscribe. This is our first episode of Little Angel Edits. Nope. Yes. Come on, girl. No. Nope. What? Yes, you should say. Look, I just turned like an Enderman into the future. And look, I've got your car. My Lamborghini. My Lamborghini. You. My Lamborghini.
Oh, honey, you're safe in your car seat.
Got it back. Vroom. I don't want to sit in my seatbelt. It's so boring. Come on, you're just sitting there with John Cena will get you. The car seat is why John Cena's got. Come on, we go to see WWE John Cena. Poo. Hold on tight, there's bumpy roads. Yeah, that was like so bumpy. I wanna sit in the seat. What? It's done. Look, it's John Cena. Hey, buddy, I'm John Cena.
He wears a seatbelt just like you.
Oof. What's that one? Bye-bye. What for your Mario Kart? Oh, come on, we woosed. Oh, look what he's doing. He has been saved. Come on, look. You got your way. Oh, yeah, you're down and up. It's John Cena. Oh, no. No. Oops, Eric. I'm in my Lamborghini. My Lamborghini is so cool. I love it every day. My Lamborghini. My mum and dad and Mr. John Cena. Oh, I think that's the end.
Okay.
That's the end, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make him like and subscribe or he's in trouble by his mum. Make sure you like and subscribe. Nope.